Have a nice day, my friends. Welcome back to Quiz Forest. Today, we're testing how lucky you really are by Choose Your Gift, pink, blue, or purple. We've prepared 60 options, and the time for you to make a choice for each option is 8 seconds. So, stay until the end to see your results, and also subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this one. Thank you, and good luck. First choice, choose your drum. Choose your helicopter. How about your mansion? Will you choose pink, blue, or purple gift? Choose your car. Choose your bag. Are you hoping for the best? Choose your lipstick. Choose your AirPod case. Keep going. Choose your crown. Choose your bookshelf. Are you a lucky person? Choose your necklace. I will go with pink this time. What about you? Choose your laptop. Make your choice. Choose your bedroom. Choose your robot. Take your time. Pink, blue, or purple? Choose your shoes. Choose your challenge. What color did you choose? Like this video if you pick the pink color, subscribe to our channel if you pick the blue one, and don't forget to comment your name if you chose the purple gift. Choose your ice cream. Choose your phone.